This is the amazing recipe of Old Delhi style fried chicken. Let's start the recipe. First take chicken, it's about 250 grams, and then start to marinate. For this, I have used salt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and coriander powder. Little bit of chicken masala powder and chopped green chilies and Kashmiri red chilies and some refined flour, or you can say maida, for bind all this together. Add little water as well. Now you need to at least marinate for 2 hours. You can marinate overnight as well. Now fry this in medium hot oil till become golden brown in color. So your old style crispy fried chicken is ready. Enjoy it with some green chutney and let me know how this turned up for you.